All right, straight to the point. People often mix up power with aura. But let me clarify. Aura is entirely different from power. If you can't cultivate a truly powerful aura, don't even dream about possessing true power. Aura is an invisible force that surrounds a living creature. It's truly a fascinating phenomenon. It's easy to differentiate weak men from powerful men just by looking at them. It might be hard to grasp, but trust me, when you encounter a truly powerful man, you will sense his power just by looking at him. It's an undeniable presence. That presence, my dear, is called aura. One stepping stone to acquiring a powerful aura is to first retain your seed. As a man, you hold an incredible amount of power in your temple. An enormous amount of power. You might not know that, but look at me. You're very powerful. And yes, most of that power is stored in your lower part. And some men waste it away by regular masturbation. So depressing. You see, when you beat your meat, you are wasting away your life power and you are weakening your aura. Imagine this, when you have a sexual intercourse with a woman, you will be prompt to release semen. And when you do release semen, it's your seed that transform into a living human being. That means you are using physical energy through ejaculation of semen. Just so you know, a minimum of 40 drops of blood is required to form just a single drop of semen. You now see how powerful that is. You see, right after masturbation, there's a whole lot of life force you waste away. That's why you always feel weak and tired or even depressed. When you retain your seed, you are opening yourself to a lot of advantages and positive flow. Listen, the same way you could easily look into someone's eyes and tell that they are tired or sick is the same way people can look into your eyes and tell if you are a powerful man or just weak. When you retain your seed, a wonderful glow will encompass you from your eyes to your skin, captivating all those who dare to behold it. And women most especially can see it. And apart from people just sensing it, seed retention have other advantages in your body. It grants you the drive and stamina to accomplish any goal or task. Your focus would be sharpened. You will be consumed with your own desires, and you'll be liberated from the weak chains of lust. You will become a malevolent goal-getter. You will be a monster, and your aura will be very powerful and sensible. Don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself for a mere month, and you'll witness a monumental transformation. You will testify. Number 2, stepping stone is to become close to yourself. Do you even know yourself? Do you speak to yourself? Do you believe in yourself? Do you encourage yourself? Do you even love yourself? If you want to have a powerful aura, you have to start by strengthening your mind. The mind is very powerful. Only those who have experienced life's trials can truly understand the power of the mind. When you speak to yourself, let it be only positive declaration. As I said before, the tongue is very powerful. Now I want you to combine the power of your tongue and the power of your mind. Take a moment to pen down all what you dream to be and all you dream to have on a sheet of paper. Now begin to declare them to yourself and constantly tell yourself you will accomplish every single thing on that paper. Now you know what to do with your tongue. Now I want you to use your mind to imagine that you have already achieved everything written on that paper. Whenever you are less busy or have an alone time, I want you to envision a reality where you've conquered your aspirations, where success is your loyal companion. Envision your dream self, envision your accomplished self, and envision all your dreams being fulfilled Once you cultivate the habit of doing this, you'll discover that you've grew an immense amount of belief in yourself, and you'll begin to trust yourself. You'll begin to feel confident in all you do. And when you feel confident in yourself, people will begin to sense your presence, and your aura will become immensely powerful. But don't misunderstand me. I'm not asking you to live in a world of fantasy. If you aren't ready to put in the work to achieve what you want to achieve, then you're just living in a world of fantasy. Third, stepping stone is to practice gratitude. Stop complaining. Stop blaming your parents for being where you are. Some people don't even have parents to blame. Be grateful. If you think your parents are hindering you from being at your full potential, start finding a way to fix it instead of complaining. If you think your society, your place of work, or your surroundings is hindering you from achieving your goals and aspiration, start finding a way to fix it and do the necessary. If you don't appreciate your current physique, don't complain. Show gratitude and go to the gym. Take actions instead of complaining. When you complain, you weaken your aura. I repeat, when you complain, you weaken your aura. The reason the weak find pleasure in complaining is because they don't have the power to take actions to free them from their current situation. We are not weak. We are glitches. We control. So stop complaining. Start taking actions. There would be a part 2 to this topic. And in that episode, I will clarify you on how to actually have the strongest aura in any room and any gathering. Consider subscribing and liking the video. You won't regret it.